ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾರ್ಗವ ರೇವಣ್ಕರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. The session is all about introduction of this particular topic called as acquiring functional IT knowledge. This particular topic is being chosen basically because I'm a teacher. I'm teaching since 26 years. Before that, I was working for Suprada Software Solutions, and I felt IT teaching is very interesting, and using IT and teaching any subject is more impactful. Okay. Yadak bekandre, basically, every other teacher is a great teacher, but today's world is demanding. Until unless you have an IT knowledge, maybe student is not looking at you in the way you are supposed to be. You're fantastic, but are you there with me to acquire functional IT knowledge? I hope you are. Let me start why we should do this. For example, basically why teachers in Karnataka or India or world, why you should have this particular knowledge. Basically, teacher is not the only teacher who have only teaching as a job. He is having teaching plus administrative tasks. Now, if you integrate technology into teaching, technology into administrative tasks, you are the most reputed, most accepted teacher, because you're going to be a future teacher with that. Okay, what is that you're going to do? I'm going to have a transformation in my workplace, any school, college, wherever you're working. You're going to bring the transformation. People will look at you. The student will look at you. Okay, this teacher is someone different, and a teacher who can talk to you physically or remotely or both the ways, hybrid way. Okay, third possibility is the digital transformation is world's demand, so we cannot have an excuse for it. Okay, so I believe that whatever I'm trying to tell over here is a teacher has to get integrated with the technology. Then what do you mean by integrated with the technology? I have identified some 10 areas. I'll just brief them. Okay, very first one. Okay, so basic computer literacy. I would like to say that you need to have something called the file management and OS for operating system. There are different mobiles you are using and different laptops you are using, different tablets you are using. Okay, every other operating systems will have some differences within Windows itself. MS Windows, there are versions are there are small changes are different. So I'd like to have some discussion with you about those things in the coming sessions. Then file management. Where are my picture files are there? Where are my document files are there? Where are my video files are? How I can arrange them so that I can easily access. So this is all about basic computer literacy. Second one is a teacher should have the skill of tools, which we call it as office productivity tools. It can be word processor, it can be spreadsheet, Excel, it can be PowerPoint, and I have written something called the calendar. We have to do a lot of work. Teacher is full of work. He is the one who always 24/7 selfless job with no returns. I can say that because I'm a teacher. Okay. He also need to learn something called as the email. That it's a powerful tool. Okay, so I believe office productivity tools, we are going to spend a lot of time on this. Then if a teacher is there, then he should know something called the classroom management tools, LMS, we call it the learning management system, online assessment system, Google Drive, how I can use the Google Drive. Okay, we are going to discuss all that. Then a teacher should have internet and web skills. How can I browse? What are my skills of searching something? We are going to do some chat GPT kind of a things, so we can do a lot of more searching. We are going to discuss some about educational website, which all websites will going to give what all kinds of insights about your own subject. You are already master. Can I be one more step ahead of it? Interactive tools and multimedia things are another fifth point. Video conferencing and interactive tools. You already know Zoom, but maybe can we have something better in that? Okay, how we can have that well-versed things with the requirement of the world. Then I need to know, say, for example, I have created a PowerPoint presentation. How can I project it in my classroom? Am I good at projecting that? Do I know the system called the projectors, smart boards, and all those technologies which are upcoming requirement of any classroom? Yes, projectors, I am going to display it, but how I can get connected with the cloud? Can I have the basic knowledge about Google Drive, OneDrive, and many more things are there? Can I do that? This is what exactly one more thing which we need to check it out. Fourth one is educational softwares. Okay, which I can say like you are already master, but I want you should be master on your subject. As I love mathematics, I have listed two things here. There GeoZebra, A to Z Maths. A to Z Maths does everything, starting from addition, subtraction, division. It goes up to linear programming. It goes up to assess assignment problems. It goes up to statistical problems. Everything it does. So I'll show you how the glimpses are there. And believe me, all are available online. Only thing that I'm going to show you, look, they are available to you. After doing this, I need to have small troubleshooting kind of things. Okay, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಕಾರ್ ಉಂಟು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಪಂಕ್ಚರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಯಾಕೋ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟರ್. Very basic things. I'm going to show you that. Okay, this is how exactly I want to take you to the route. Okay, then the last one, not the least, I need to know how to work with the social media. Okay, so maybe WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, and there are many social media groups are there, which I want you should have an exposure. So that with all these 10, you are going to be the wonderful personality. Already you are a teacher. Now, if you are with the IT integration, your teaching capacities will increase because people are appreciating you. You are also able to complete your administrative task in a way. It will going to take 1/10 of your time what you are taking all these days. Okay, so thank you very much for accepting me as your coach. I am Bhargav Revankar. Okay, we'll meet very soon in the coming session. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much.